Hey guys, it's Corey from Corey Survival. Today I'm going to be showing you this awesome box subscription called the SHTF Mystery Gear, or Shit Hits the Fan Mystery Gear. It's a monthly subscription box that costs $20 a month plus shipping. I think the gear in this box is worth it, honestly. You get knives, stoves, camping gear, anything to do with outdoors, pretty much. So let's just dig right into it and I'll show you what's inside. So I'm going to be using this knife to open up this box. This is actually a knife I got out of 1 month's box. It's called a Kroger. It's supposed to be a World War I, World War II replica knife. I actually looked this up online. It's a $15 knife online. So I think this is actually worth it. I think this is a great survival knife. So let's go ahead and dig right into her. Now I got this, you can get this off of Budk.com or Kadels. I'll leave links down in the description. Budk is probably one of my all-time favorite knife websites. And then Kadels is probably one of my all-time favorite outdoor survival bushcraft websites. I got my axe off there. I got that teardown saw off of there. Yeah, honestly, I think it's worth it. Sure, everything's made from China, but it's survival gear. I really don't care. It's stuff I can use. If it breaks, I used it. Broke while I was using it. Great. It did its job. So let's go ahead and dig right into here. Paper. I know there's a little card. Alright, so in every subscription box you get this card. They give you a survival tip of the month. So let's go ahead and read the tip. It says, an old military trick is to wear pantyhose underneath the socks to help avoid friction and blisters for long hikes. You'll also stay warm when wearing pantyhose to keep chiggers and ticks at bay. Pantyhose also can filter water or improve a fishing net, and can even be used to carry food you gather in the wild. So, cool survival tip. And then on the back, it shows you the basic box, everything in the basic box. That's what this is, it's just the basic box. And then you've got the Pro box. So if you got the Pro box, you get everything in here, plus this. And if you got the Elite box, you get everything in here, plus this too. So, I prefer the basic box. I think this is honestly the best way to go, because it goes up to like $45. I think the Elite's like $80, but 20 bucks for this much stuff. I mean, you're paying another 20 for like not even really that much things, or that many things. Same with the Elite, you're only paying for like one giant thing. So that's why I'm sticking with small stuff. So to start with, there's a UST camping tweezers with LED light. It looks pretty cool. Let me take it out here. So here's the tweezers. There's a button here. It's got a little flashlight. It says on the box the batteries aren't included, so that's why it's not lighting up. So I'm gonna have to get some batteries. Woo! Put this down here. It says this would be great for removing splinters and/or ticks. Here, let's see what it goes for. It goes for $5 retail, $4.99. Alright, so next on the list we've got a 5-pack of M48 D-ring connectors. I believe this is it. Includes 5 rotating carabiner bits. This goes retail for $3.99. Please with mole webbing. I might have to do research on these. I don't know what these are. What is that? Oh, maybe, oh, okay, like a webbing type deal. You're gonna probably intertwine the webbing in this, and you could actually stake it down, you know, or, yeah, that's what it looks like. It's like you're adding, they're like connectors for mole webbing. That's pretty nifty. Okay, this next one I'm pretty excited about. This one's a camo folding carom bit knife that retails for $14.99. I just have to find it real quick. Yeah. Okay. So it says Black Legion on here. I'll open it. That's pretty cool. And every box it comes with a knife. There we go. Ooh, that's pretty cool. Not really a survival knife in my mind. I mean, it could be used for survival. I mean, you can get really, really down into things. But this honestly looks like, I don't know, like a cool combat knife. Well, not really a combat knife, but something really lethal. Excuse me. Yeah, something really lethal, honestly. Like, holy crap. No, that's cool. Okay, so up next, we have a rescue knife with LED light, which I'm assuming it's probably this other Black Legion. This retails for $9.99 or $10. Let's get this open here. And it's really nice. You actually get these boxes with these knives, so it's almost like you can keep them as a collector. Oh, they're trying to trick me with this one. Little bitty piece of tape right there. Yeah, right there. Can't fool me. Okay, that's pretty cool. It's an assist open too. Nice. That's what it looks like. You've got the window smasher right here. Like a seatbelt cutter there. It says U.S. Special Forces on the side. Does this flashlight work? Might need batteries for this one. Flashlight doesn't work. That's alright. That is a cool knife though. Really, really cool knife. It is sharp too. Very nice. Up next in the box is the emergency rescue tent. This is what it looks like here. It looks like an emergency space blanket, or Mylar blanket, but this is like a bigger one. You can make a shelter out of it. I was thinking I might actually have to do a review on this for you guys, definitely. I might even, hell, take this camping. That would be fun, wouldn't it be? This retails for $5, so that's actually a pretty cheap tent, and it's also got some, looks like nylon tie downs, so that's very neat. I'm kind of cool, excited about that. For the last thing in the box, it's UST Gear Snake. Retails for $5. Oh, it's a tie down. You just cut to the length and you twist it. It's like twisty wire. That's pretty nifty. You can even probably make this into like a stringer if you wanted to, like a fishing stringer. But for it to be like a metal tie down, that's Here, I'm gonna check this out. Oh, that is neat. Look at that. It just kinks. That is super cool. And then you find something you want to like tie down, you just cut it to length and you twist tie it, you know? And it holds its shape. Like that's pretty cool. Alright guys, so if you guys enjoyed this video, let me know, and I'll show you guys next month's box. Go ahead and comment down below, let me know what you think of this video. I am not sponsored by any means by these guys, I just love their stuff. If you guys are into this type of stuff, like outdoor survival, fishing, hiking, camping, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I'd like to have you guys a part of my community. As always, keep living, keep fishing, and I'll see you guys in the next video.